Inti kwa form no mo sha ase no. Sana obi a woni group an sana mo be hia. Kwa form no mo sha ase se a mo wo.
Group ni de me sha ase no me group ba nipa ba ko na me start here.
Okay.
The children follow so echo teen group. But ne hwa se ne omo so mo nwoma ye no etie no se anya ward crampo na yanyum to na ye talent be share nti sana tell se etie ho. So what I say.
Into ufa phone a friend say Faro.
Yeah. Ata nkra na phone kra se ne ho papa.
To letter na.
2 point.
Okay.
Ano so
ye ba. Na say ofa car. Na se me ye tena se.
Ene call.
Mo ya de.
Nyame.
But it told the be an person more split. On say over P square or me entafo no moto nyom. Se si omumu ate. Munya sa challenges ni bi.
Oh yeah, nipa. And just like any other institutions. Sanyo mound dey see, ebusuam we see, enafofo we see, adwuma we see. Be hu obi asem ketekete na ya asem. But always I was so the group of the artists the motive of the group. It shouldn't be like selfish and financial, upesika, wunya get it, and now wunya girlfriend. What
no need the
I'm saying the night is a one or person good group. What am I say? Because idea Bible crack and was say idea and you would then find your and if you want to keep your group going, those things must take out of your group. It should take out. It shouldn't even be part of you at all. Who say be a mini chale we be a many penny chale we the enchane pe yemfa we into her I'm a group I fair akoso and trust me it's not easy to be in a group bra it is a war film means what war film that in a group like musical group it is a war a see a nyodin or time beba or how beba at anafofo room and mabe room. But you should be focused. I was so focused all the time. So when you and swading hunu, I'm a group and yes, until I'm a group, go Ghana 20 years. Akatakyie and Kwani Jina and I so all because
22 years.
Bonnie, I am fine. You will be no, young.
22 years.
Yes.
Since 2000.
Yeah, over 2 decades. So.
Why are relevant to son?
Yeah.
In Timra Moshe Yom to Nasana and you to ni ben or so mumu, and my same way. Montumi in the Bunya, Muja baby. More than a simple bonny dinning.
Apart from young Casano being one or supporting in terms of music, artists being one more boy and say, Akatakyie, me so monayako, and no more money. But what I can say, so records, JB as a for watching. Before then, Peter Odamting, no, he was our manager before. Onua de come so records and pushing able do some level be ansana no ntamo 80 apart from that no be any one boy or sa level no that
my colleagues am no mo boy no be any how or mama support to that
no
oh no
also say e bonyo ma ana say o she bibia say akoto mpanyufo kakra wo mu wo behia mo a wo ba kire ba bi wo ba friend say oh senior hey de nki nya woto ha ma yen yanke ni beji obi ama mo sa support
no de metumi aka say be artist be 4 bi pe metumi aka say Black Rasta Black Prophet and
Chame Kwame Nanama yeah
mom no me collaboration
yeah
aside omo de mo fro bia na omo ma
naturally no anya see from omo mba unse dwuma like me no ka say yeah releasing some releasing a pool but you try nyombe 1 million ego but you who say okay you try nya featuring artists be some of the current artists na you feature and you've been calling and talking and calling and nothing is happening so in this case you don't wait for them you have to move on what am I saying almost no enyo fault too sa na yen so obi to me frey enko because adwuma bre e bi ono so person releasing an album what the ekọ ha no enti yeti o mase but it should be that collaboration must work say be Akatakyie and say bravo a new artist I mean the collabo must be there enti no pen na hard but yankasa no say e be feature will be say yen feature will be no yankasa ye hate that ye hate from day one yankasa ye ho nyame boan ma ye hate all the time enti ye for now ba fine one ma na se wa
na metumi ebisa say sikasem si na mo from mo manana
o sika de Akatakyie de say o sika sika for sika de I mean ka say nyoma be rough kakra na nipa bia no ye was kafo krom ha what they say and anya obi na ye dede ye very calm and collected, ye very cool, but me catch your place say be be frat say or me fi China na ye ntua ne kai enti na one mad. That is none of the business. I mean, it shouldn't happen. Ye dey e betua wo kaska bia o pe bia e betua, but it looks like e bia ehu kakra e wo mumu say wo be fi cha kechechi a anhwa na ya be cover wo mo ya be di wo manim, and that is how I feel. I know na ya mama who say we be no musu na baby, but shouldn't, I mean,
because my brand na was
very high.
It is obi afi na oba no obe feature manase mu feature na ahwa no no makata no so
Sir.
and it's na from one mama no.
Yeah. Sadly now I heard that since I about out since 2000 I there because anytime you be yes be release the piano I'm up put the omu numu yeden esi omu hiding mu no say ne be ya Akatakyie be ko and some ba answer Akatakyie because unu na be crash Akatakyie pe ohia na
Wo de ne be kofo
ti e bia say hu na say them braka no that's what was their fear that anything na mu to be den into me in future you know and me to me unu ye papa yeah. No matter what the situation is, you know, who write good songs on Kuandia.
Also, did you show need
so what I say, and say, both unya fear because then time remember no now, couldn't you mean now, but to me, and no more than a competition. So at a competition, say,
they move to many more
a cost of paper. So what I said, so unya sa fear and say, if I'm helping my brothers and so say, I'm book about media, and say, okay, who need him or Adwuma na way, and I wouldn't need. Ahoɔden nyame so what I say so dey so no be attach as na obeba waba
no krepa it mo na mo chro mo nyom
oh yeah
ba ko na chro na ba ko ahwa na se mo tena se bom na ma chro
ye de chro ye chro bom
okay
ana ye wode ye na rehearse so what I say ebu ho no a odo onyu meba fa odo onyu meba ebi a chale me chorus you ho no ti nyensen say okay fine and then to chorus no and I said copy or chorus that we any chorus no I said foreign heading etro so e bia me to am fa yi just say foreign heading etro so what I say before and no be ba na bibia hye kama ya me game
am say ti ko nko agina so mu dey akwa agina
papa
akwa agina mani age me hu mu ana mani age because obi ni nua motumi about this far ba ko anyem and I got to a point about person will give you up about na about strength because some way me na mo na tie dia ba ko bebre into was about ko twe ba ko wo emfimfini na watwe ne nwana ba mudru samre no
me kaida cry BSc but ye dey pay the ABA is individually and personally ye hone ye nim but for me say bia ko bia bi na so chale say the normal kwani dey me komachi and say Pharaoh be ka say wo chale ne ma me ntwe kakra ne dey me nti bibi sada because ye won see ye when you din ye won yankopon nti no matter what happens to us you know we believe say nyame kan ye ho and we have that courage me what they say can to me minimum na me tin free so forget it because yes nyame nyame me nyame ma me ti access so boy said this so I believe say the power that he has no yenso ye will be to me e we nyame mu no e bi we ye mu nti ade na me ma or how ahokyere ana nipa hunahuna me I don't do that and kwa dey chale that be me very courageous because I know I can easily break through anytime. So Joseph to me, Daniel to me, Elijah to me, there. Why not take it? Yes, we this all more.
Amen. Mobile to me so I can say when you idea question on what down for Bayana.
Yeah, the experiences say no, it's like in a group there, mommy, it is a baby out, maybe can't it say you may be a mo. What the winya ya at the end of but other people, friends bebem, and maybe bebem, when your money is Sikasema Charlie, almost all your crowd way ideas in Wuniano, na ya one away win then you know, still I wouldn't in Chesicape, you know, but I was a wide as a blog. We see what you so Charlie. Money there, so Kobe, Kobe, we are Missika, I know deco. Apart from so fan could this Sabi and Quasiasem, and I mean funny Sikan could in Quasiasem. If you balcony here, you know, so there is no space. What they say, and I'm my DNF, Kobe me Bonia, we fight, Charlie, we argue, then we come to agreements. Oh, Charlie, don't forget it, Charlie, young queen, a be ye, then we move on. Yeah, my car now or buy entity and tem, you know.
Oh, this is beautiful. To see siblings such as say. Nkofo bebre na ne omo nuanom ye ade a che se ankosi baby na se mu de eje nyame kramo
amen
nyame kramo enyom ba na mo tro ye tom akoma so pa mo abom samo ye nyina ye abom de he na emu nyom e solid mamo
me anagoma we say Charlie when I listen to your song I no get choice. I no get the choice, Charlie. It plenty. All the songs I hate. So Charlie, which one be the choice safe? I mean, but to speak the truth, and you might duck at Chiakumas, a dozen. Me for me, dear, personally, a dozen. I make us see a hit in idea at Damakumas because we have baby a free a short sanyumuna. It tells you, you know, want to mean Yabaku. To me, they my favorite for Akatakyie.
Ina da wakoma so.
Trust me.
Nti na ye solid besi na you.
Oh yes.
Because so share that na say e do wakoma troy.
Yeah.
Mo he back then. Mo nyum na moto na mo he ni nyuma me call for you to ya difference be na wo.
Difference be any. Mu say abrabo sesa. Mu say first no na tetefo no say wo pese wo backra. I will say 3 days, all because, and I say 1 week, 7 days, or 21 days, because you have to work. Nyamiadom and a kaba, so what must say. And you want to make us mediate no, said that I'm a 90 no, and a son, I'm a person 90 conquering. Bra will be do a crana one when any attitude. Nadia okay, you know, could I want to me, and so I believe, sir, the new crop of artists are doing so fantastic, so powerful. And if I can mention them like Stone Boy, Shatawale, Kwame Eugene, and KK Fosu. KK Fosu, they're only 11 posts. Sakwadie, you know, I love these boys because they are doing so marvelously. The only thing I'm afraid is I want a kind of rhythm, you know, the high life rhythm. What the other hip hop crown, but make sure say you fusing some little rhythms of Africa and Ghana into your music, and that is what I think say Iraq Accra. Apart from that, I think they are doing well.
They are doing well. Black
Sharif especially, you know, amazing boy. A friend is saying strong man, you know, that boy. That strong man boy. Hey, between me and the raps, I'm saying, hey, this guy. I say, or Lord Kenya mo, Akatakyie or Brafo mo the PAAA. He's marvelous. He's too much. Yo.
Strong man, shout
out to him, yo. Wherever you are, strong man, Charlie, we love you too much to the max, yo.
Oh, this is so beautiful. Maka beautiful, sir. Yami shamo. Let's say muti omo nyom no mo admire mo from afar.
Oh yeah.
Omo mo de owo hen na munya come the collaboration.
Oh, hello, a lot of them because Eddie Kakayan, Omina Yade, Omina amazing, and ba Akatakyie, Enyumswa, Omotumi as Seho, the Canasa, Omotumi as Seho, maybe a cost because Akatakyie say Honor Thomas Sehodi and Banga. Obia correct, I mean, say for now, Omotumi can say, Ama, picture. Back strong man.
Yeah, ABI feature no. ABI feature Sakwadie, ABI feature Stone Boy. We can't specifically, you know, choose an artist here. But people should watch out because very soon ABI China cry and then they are putting a drop you Onia FM. So Charlie, watch out for the new banger. Yeah. We've been able to get 1 or 2 artists, and I mean Charlie ready to roll. Yeah, you ready to say? You best same. Yeah, man.
Can I should watch out for new Akatakyie songs and videos?
Let's say projects, new ones.
Yes, it's a new project that they are bringing in.
Oh wow!
Yeah,
the band number release
very soon.
For my date.
No date.
Anyway, they train. And then your Farmers Day. Farmers. On my idea. On my so you mu. Nema mo say. Na so mu nya yi mu.
Okay.
Mo dwen so mu di say the see ya omo no. Omo deserve na so mu deserve more.
I'm going to make some deserve more because Ghana for say any equia for a Kenyan maintenance. Kenyan you because Eddie and Obedit. Shaquan and Nanum, a papanum, a mammenum, a faso, a ball, bra, a cream. My Akagana. It's a bit like I say, your backbone power Ghana say a queer. true as a force. Say true. Thank you. I didn't know. And say to me, push you, no to me more. No more do what I say to me, almost so much to me, because I'm more ammonia, I'm more bushing. So what I say. But you're too old that the James say, we're queer for just a queer phone, so we are not helping them. And I am on what's enough for sending what's enough. Never say. So what I said is almost me push more. Not a queer phone to me, a Jumadin, a boy on mine, not on mine to me too.
Yeah, the other can say a queer for the we say John Moha, and yeah, recently, so there was hey out, say come by, okay, and to say yeah, for I then a lawyer, I then a teacher, musician, the radio presenter, I then an almost. What is the reason why you almost soon come? So we see kabit me any aduaniato. So these are people that we all need to support. Abano and yet no onye ekuafo sikafo adefo. Tie me bio Ghana ban me sereno me nya me sereno. Me ene me bra we ye kurase. If ye kurase ene mumu nsem kakra. Ti me pese aban say ye we anase de obeba no. Onye Ghana ekuafo sikafo mu adefo. So yes ade na trust me. Sa esunye komni ade ni nyina no etobetwa. Yes.
Etobetwa. Abai we dey esrel Akatakyie de o ma de sede ato anim. Ene Ghana ne Euro ga ayebobo.
Yeah. I feel say you daddy phone. You daddy phone o mo di dwa no so. Aya umususu pa o man kasa prices.
Entoni o man so.
Esa pe ha o man no. O man na ha no enye o mo ti o man mu. O man na kasa. So what I say because okota de 1 cedi. Because I see 2 cedi. Because I see 3 cedi. If you want to me afford there, say unya do any. And to say I want to me ehye enoma yi, especially aban be I say to me ehye enoma. And say scale. And mo be to so kra I won say scale. Say to say scale. Yeah, nya fi na call baby. So we dey talk, need 10 cedi. What they 100 Ghana.
The same tomato.
The same tomato. So say esa had been. Let's say friend saying man for now mo ton you man. So what I say na I am share any man prices no and my because some to not support the prices isn't too so as it means come to
there be a better program.
So what I say to mo share here na pay aban so share e kwanya kuafo no come be paso de omunyoma efie kurase abakrom abaton amakrom fo amo so omunye kua no kutom sika ebe nya bi ato edi
bi aba benefit
pepe enti yesira ho nyina e hofo no sa the phone especially because almost prices na higher green power my to mo share my na no ma enkoyi ma yina organa
ko bia ka adwadefo dia. Let me go back to the politicians. Mr. Romo, the way our politics will come hano too bad. Sometimes we don't want to be part of the political, avenues near the arenas. No, we don't want to get involved. But trust me, say bia beka say we come aba. Na minister say we come my aduane ebuso. Na minister akwa kurase akwa aduane aba. No bia beka say end aduane o de ba den kwa no de bank ran kwa. Sometimes you think about these boys. Na nkofo na akwa university, university cities are about degree na. And it's even some of us are lay people. We won't think like that. We see aduane ni ho. Aduane come aba na nipa so we come mayo. Eyefo akurase or dibia bankran or dibia bakumase. We say adan ankran na kumase. When we do that, what do I say? It means one kasakura also we politics. We need their way. What do I say? We have to be careful. The way we do our politics in this country, and you're very bad and it affected the whole nation. Sabe in Prendiasa. And yet obia na nadwene mudo se menewo. I hope you understand me.
Yes.
Someone like me, you can't, want me nyame because a train is I know what day. That's what I say. But be also the other can be an and no echo. And we should be careful about those things. One day because will catch you be say sorry any uncle war or best sorry because on not general. Sabi I say robot. Intimate pamocho politicians, MPP, NDC especially. We love you people. We love you people, but you should be careful the way you treat us in this country, especially your utterances.
Back to Ghana and Uruguay.
Oh yeah, show me. Ghana blaster to say yeah. Na me say Ghana blasters will say yeah. Black Stars, oh, yeah, Black Stars, oh, say, almost Uncle High Swareg Betain, and we go park in the so. Yabeshawom,
and it's because I say last 4 years old, and sorry, as a cheap one now. Or can't say poor man, I'm going to be uncle, and then you came and lose that time. No, papa, be a no question, our goals and anything. All for the so what I said, the Piebo, Ghana for you from Piebo, and Kaka, and HD, and I'm going to say, oh, you're Fanta Ghana Black Star, because at least. Some call no more no year and no more year at least. Bibi kakra bibi to me for you about all my name. You for support on big support and Ghana Black Stars.
Amen. Final words.
The mechanic say nipa bia wo ba braba ma wani nya den yere wo ho de hia e wa nipa braba mu say we sofo say we presenter say we musician e ye nsie enu the most important thing e ye nyame so wo nyame a or how ebeba and so ebeba atamfo be sorry but at the end of the day nyame be mo asene kodimdefo enti ben nyame fa nyame adamfo yini patu ba bi wo hia wo ni asere kire no ba nyankopon enya wadamfo enti ne nipa nyina
nyame shall Kobe
me say I feel say kakra me kan say the inshirama Ghana for you especially man because a man saka omwa Ghana I feel say Akatakyie aka me sure say Nyakopon ma Ghana ma aboa Akatakyie ma Akatakyie be do some pempempeso yi to be ka say nka Ghana ma nka Ghana for nka mema no na nka ye ma me no mo asase we su nyina and at the same time you know the say social handlers you know say no power the batuja na road manager and Daniel which is our manager road manager ho and manager so ho manager on the only HCC but Nana Fosu which is our road manager nti bibia ni a the normal batuja na say obi here shows bibia mu Akatakyie here who here bia no no free and all the same all the social media handles you know come bia Spotify everywhere YouTube Facebook everywhere Akatakyie is Akatakyie DH Akatakyie GH all the platforms Facebook everywhere
Spotify
bia boom play everywhere bia koso you know man na
enti se sia na mesre mo Ghana for ya dofo Akatakyie fans na ya na mo bisa wo Facebook ni ade na ya tukwan mo wo hen na ye mba biem na mo hwehwe mo hu ye person ye kasa me pacho uko Facebook uko Twitter Instagram Akatakyie GH obehu ye ho afi person ye Akatakyie kasa for shows for whatever me pacho phrase 0 mami me super person na normal we are no day 0266 0266 no let me go back 02466 49 0 ni ya Daniel kwashi ya manager no and I feel person wo free bio na se wo free we na nkwa free manager nkasa Nana Fosu e 0268 222711 Nana Fosu 0268 222711 Ubenya Akatakyie na wani yakasa.
No man, me na kasa o ma me bobo. Like wa bo say yes.
Hey, pacho ya damasi bebre say so yes afrem mo ni abe bon komo.
Nyame
Happy Farmers Day so.
Same to you.
Thank you.
Yeah man. Thank you boss.